Welcome to our Mandarin learning classroom. 大家好，欢迎大家来到中文学习教室。I'm your teacher Jasmine Chang. Today we're going to the first lesson of Mandarin pronunciation courses. So let's see the session 1. Today we're going to learn finals. I've been introduced the syllables in the previous lesson before, so you could see syllables include the 3 parts: initials, finals, and tones. But the finals are very important because a syllable could be without initials or tones, but it couldn't be without finals. You could see a complete syllables here. The pronunciation is ma. Ma. Okay, let's move to the finals. So about finals, we have 36 finals in total. So please read after me. I will read it twice. So let's see the first line. So first one, ah. Open your mouth. Ah. Second, o. Circle your mouth. O. Next, smile, open your mouth and open your teeth. Okay, next, yi. Okay, next, wu. Okay, next, yu. Okay, if you can't pronounce yu well, you could pronounce e firstly, and don't change anything, just circle your lips, like e. Now you could use this way to check if you could pronounce the standard pronunciation. Okay, next let's see the second line. First, I. Next, a. Okay, next, o. Next, ow. Next, an. Okay, don't forget bite your top of your tongue and the end of pronunciation. An. Next, the same way to pronounce. Bite your top of your tongue in the end of the pronunciation. N. Okay, that's the ang. When you see ng, you have to use your nose to pronounce. So, ong. Okay, next, the same way. Okay, next. Om. Okay, next, let's see the next line. First one, ya. Next, yeah. Next, yao. Next, yo. Okay, next, don't forget biting the top of tongue at the end of the pronunciation. Yen. Next, yang. Use your nose. Yang. Okay, next, yin. Next, ying. Next, iong, iong. Okay, let's continue to see the next line. Wa, wa. Next, wo, wo. Next, why, why. Next, way, way. Okay, by the top of your tongue, one, one. Next, when, when. Next, wang. Use your nose, wang. Next, same way, when, when. Okay, let's see the next line. 约，约。Next, 冤，冤。Next, 晕，晕。Okay, this is the last line. Circle your tongue and keep it. Okay, that's all of the finals. The homework, remember and practice the finals. So actually, all the finals are the different combination. So you have to practice more and remember them. Okay, that's all of our first lesson of Mandarin pronunciation courses. If you want to continue learning, you can click the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. We will update a series of Mandarin courses regularly every week. Thank you and see you next time. 我们下节课再见。